Greetings again, all you Mercedes and cartoon collectors. Today we have the G-Class from the Mercedes-Benz collection, volume number 1. I don't know if they have a volume 2, but I know they have an E-Class and it's not listed here. This looks like it's used. It's opened. There's a date here of 2004. So let's get this guy going. A little piece of paper, the other cars, the colors of the C-Class and the SL class. Alright, this little plastic thing is for the display box. Strange, not sure why there's so much air there, just for a piece of paper and this piece of plastic, I guess, but let's go over here, and it's got these twist ties here to probably keep it from falling loose in shipping, but let's just clip those off. Okay, I pulled up a 2004 G-Class for my search, and these are supposed to be G-Wagons from that era. I don't know about the bumper. There's some weird stuff going on in this bumper of the casting. It's not a fog light. It looks like a grill. Strange. Side proportions definitely got shrunken down. But also they stylized it where the roof is slanted backwards there. So it looks like it's, you know, speeding like a wedge. So they definitely tuned it out in a special way. Here's the rear view. Yeah, they even has a spare wheel. So that's nice. Okay, also these are a little weird how they stick out so much. Well, let's take a closer look. It's not a metallic white, just a regular white. It's nice to see this sunroof. And then, unfortunately, the plastic's quite clear. You can see the motor quite easily. There's some ribbing and black paint in this vent. It looks good. It's got those little turn signals or whatever, the humps there, but they're not painted. But they are white on the regular vehicle, so I guess that's fine. It's got these chrome headlights. They look a little small, but the Mercedes star looks pretty nice. I wonder if that's a sticker. It's chrome and black, but it's nicely done as far as the contrast goes. Maybe not the black application though. Little black paint in these tiny vent slots there. So G-Wagon 2004. This is what's throwing me off. This just doesn't look like a fog light to me, right? Not at all. And my cat agrees. It agrees a lot. Alright, so some sort of skid plate. Yep, 2004. Screw front, tab back. Some chrome strip here. Oh, I guess that's a running board. Okay, so some black molding there, black molding here and here. Yeah, that is on the real vehicle. And this black actually comes down and across the windscreen. Door hinges. I don't see that on the thing. But, and also the spare wheel thing. That's just not horizontal. What I like is the taillights. Those are transparent. There's red and silver, I guess, or clear behind the plastic, I think. And here it looks transparent as well. So I think that's a reflector, and maybe that's a backup light. So yeah, you can see here in the fenders, it's a clear piece of plastic and they painted it. Okay. I do find it odd that there's no black paint around these windows here. Alright, so let's, oh, the wheels. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, these look like wheels specifically cast. They look like the first photograph's wheels, so not bad. The only issue is, you know, there's no air passing between here. I know Choro-Q can do it, but back in 2004, I guess they weren't thinking that advanced. Alright, let's pull out one of the spin things here. You know what, I actually don't have many models to compare to, so let's let this spin on this little coaster today. This grass coaster. I have the Kyosho G-Wagon, so I'll put that up here for now. So let me give you a top view here, foreshortening view. These solar spinners, they sound like they're running on rocks. They're so rough sounding, but they're cheap. Really strange sound. Alright, I do have a few other Mercedes here. Here's that E-Class I was talking about. And so maybe there was a second Mercedes collection, and that might be from it. What's strange is there's nothing printed on the back of that thing. Here's a C-Class police car. Here's an A-Class with some 3D printed wheels. And let's end on a high note. My favorite Mercedes Choro-Q. Well, actually the 300 SL is my favorite, but this is a very close second. The SL class with 3D printed wheels. It also has clear taillights. Let's see. I guess we're gonna have a stormtrooper for the driver today. So it's an interesting Choro-Q. They stylized it with the angled roof. That's not very common. Well, maybe it is. It's just exaggerated on such a boxy looking truck. So I like it still. I only wish the Mercedes there on the rear tire cover was printed more horizontally. I'm afraid to try to twist it. It might just snap off. Okay, well anyways, it's not going to stop me from buying more Choro-Qs. I think you know that by now. So hopefully you'll stick around until the next review. Thanks. Bye.